Welcome back to Plantergardan TV. How you guys doing today? Hope everyone is doing fine. Guys, I just want to give you guys an update on my tomato plant. The way I grew up tomato plant, the way I prune them. And I just want to give you guys an update on how the production of the tomato plant and how they're producing. They're bearing a lot to the bottom and they also start bearing up to the top. So this is just an update. I now pruned them a few days ago and now everything just growing. We go on to the next side. I even got ripe tomato at this time, which I'm definitely gonna pick and eat one time. Yeah. All right, guys, so this is the result from the way I grow tomatoes naturally, never add fertilizer, natural product that I get from the earth. I show you guys in many of my videos how I get my compost and how I create my compost. All right, so this is just the update, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.